We present to you a beautiful, spacious apartment with a total area of 102 square meters, located on the ground floor of a modern residential complex in the prestigious area of Lomas de Cabo Roig Los Dolses, at Calle Cabo Tiñoso 5. The apartment features 3 bright bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a large terrace, a modern kitchen, and a cozy living room with access to the terrace. It comes with air conditioning and built-in wardrobes. The complex offers excellent amenities, including outdoor and indoor swimming pools, a hammam, sauna, and gym. A garage is included in the price. The property is conveniently located close to a supermarket and the sea. The windows face south and east. The price of the apartment is €250,000. If you're interested in this offer, please contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram at the number shown on the screen.